Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to attempt a repair for this Quest 2 headset. So I already made a video, it's not up as I record this, but recently I bought an Oculus Quest 2 and some shenanigans happened and I ended up with this second unit by accident essentially. Like, long story short, I ordered one, then DHL lost it. And because I didn't want to wait, I ordered a second one, assuming that, the second one, like the first one would, eventually get refunded. Then this one arrived, and then the day later, DHL delivered the first one. And, I could resell, but, it wasn't that expensive, and I do actually have a friend that I can give this to. But the problem is, this second unit is actually damaged. So I didn't notice this at first when I got the headset, because I thought it was just condensation, but there is actually lens damage on this. So let's get this out of the packaging real quick to show you what's going on. I'm just interested in the headset right now. We can take off the face shield, put that back in. And yeah, so this is the headset, and you see down here we have this section of lens damage. And when I got the headset, it just got delivered through DHL, and obviously the outside is cold, so the entire headset was cold and it was forming some condensation on the lenses, so I didn't catch this. But yeah, that's not good. This is some sort of damage. It is noticeably rough when you put your finger over it, and I don't think this is the sort of damage that's fixable with polish or anything, so I decided I'm just going to swap out the lens. So I bought a set of replacement lenses on AliExpress here, and I'm going to be swapping out the left lens on this headset, because otherwise it's basically new. The person I bought this from said they used it maybe 6 times. So apart from this lens damage, it's in perfect condition. So yeah, this is gonna be a pretty good unit, and whoever ends up with it, I don't know, gifting it to friends or family or something, because I can't wear 2 of these at the same time, so there's no point in me keeping 2. Anyway, so to repair this, I'm following the advice of another YouTuber, and let's bring the camera a bit closer. Like that. And yeah, so there's this YouTube channel called Fix My Oculus, and that's basically where I looked at how to swap the lens out, and it's actually pretty easy. It's one of the easiest repairs you can do on a Quest 2, because the lenses are literally just glued on. You can see the black strip, the outline, that's literally just glue, and all you need is some way to heat it, and then some way to get the lens out. There's actually this tiny little opening in the side where you can stick something in. So I'm gonna use this flathead screwdriver. Just about fits in. Actually, it might be a little bit too thick. No, it does fit in. Okay. But yeah. So before we can get this out, we have to heat it somehow, and I'm actually going to use a hairdryer. So this is, I don't know what model it is. That it's an 1800 watt hairdryer, so it's a bit I don't know, average, I guess. And you could use a heat gun for this. I don't want to, because heat guns and hot air stations get hot enough to melt the plastic here, and we just want to soften the glue. So I'm going to use a hairdryer instead, because the air coming out of a hairdryer is close to 100 degrees right at the outlet, which should be hot enough to soften the glue. And then we can carefully get the lens out, and then I'm going to swap in the replacement lens. Let's actually get this one out, which one is the right one, because I bought a left and a right one, and I'm just swapping the left one because the right lens looks pretty much perfect still. We have a replacement glue thing, that's the lens itself. We get a microfiber cloth for cleaning. So is this the correct lens? Looks like it, right? Yeah, that should be the left lens. And then the other one is like the right one. Actually, they could... How do you... Okay, because it could kind of fit both sides. How do you determine which side is the correct one? It doesn't say anywhere which it is. I'm gonna look at these two and figure out which one is which, because I don't want to put the wrong one on. Unless they're both identical. Like, the listing I bought it from said left, right, or both. So I'm assuming they're different. But maybe they just are identical, because they really look identical, like it looks symmetric. Yeah, so I'm gonna figure this out off camera a bit, and then resume. Have you ever had a project that just needed one more part for completion that's proving too difficult or specific to make or find for sale? It may be time for a visit to PCBWay. PCBWay specializes in prototyping and custom orders for anything from CNC milling to laser sintering 3D printing, and of course also PCB manufacturing. All you need to do is upload your design files to the PCBWay website and enter a few more requirements for your order, and you can have a quote ready in minutes and parts shipping out within 24 hours. PCBWay also cultivates a maker-focused community with frequent events and easy-to-find support. Right now they are hosting the 8th Project Design Contest, focused on electronic, mechanical and AIoT projects. Submission is open until January 31st, 2026, and the prizes range from cash and coupons to Raspberry Pis to multimeters. Many thanks to PCBWay for sponsoring my channel. Their support helps out immensely with bringing you more ambitious projects that I just wouldn't be able to tackle otherwise. Now with all that said, let's return to where we left off. Okay, so to me they do look identical. I don't know why the shop had an option for left or right, but they do just look identical to me, so I'm just gonna use this one, and like, I guess if they aren't identical, I'll find out once I try to use this. But anyway, so I have the lens out here, I have the microfiber cloth unpacked because I might be getting some fingerprints on it. I'm gonna try to not get fingerprints on the inside. That would be really bad. And there's also this thing. So under the lens is the LCD, and you really don't want to get dust into that. So like when you take the lens out, the LCD is exposed, and it's not like on a smartphone that there's like another glass layer on top of that. No, like the lens is that glass layer. So you remove that and you have the bare LCD in front of you, and you really don't want to get dust into this. So I'm gonna try to do this as quickly as possible, and I'm gonna like concentrate, so I'm probably not going to talk while I do the swapping. So yeah, I'm just gonna heat this thing now, and once it's warm to the touch, I'm gonna try prying it out with the screwdriver. And then once it comes out, I take the replacement lens, I take the like the glue thing, like the sticker off, so that the glue ring is exposed, and then we will just drop the lens in. I'll clean it a bit with the microfiber cloth, and that should be it. That should really be all that is there to replacing a lens on a Quest 2 or Quest 3S, because it has the identical lens sent up. So yeah, it's time to turn the hairdryer on, and it's going to get pretty loud, and I'm probably going to fast forward through this. And that's it. We have a new lens. That was pretty easy. Like, honestly, very, very easy. So here's our damaged lens. This is the old, like, glue on it still. And yeah, so here's our damaged section. I'm really wondering what did this. Like, I honestly really wonder what that is, because it's almost as if someone used sandpaper on it. Like, I really don't know what this kind of damage is, which might also be why I didn't notice it, because I was looking for like deep grooves and not just opaque areas. So I really don't know what caused this. But yeah, so this is the old lens. We have another glue ring here, so I guess we can try reapplying the lens again if anything goes wrong. But we now have a new lens in our Quest 2. The right one still looks fine, it just looks like maybe a little bit dirty, so let's use the microfiber cloth to get some of the stuff off. But the headset is in very, very good condition, honestly. Like, this is... I believe the owner, when she said that she used this like 5 to 6 times, because there's barely any use case. I mean, the damage on the lens was one thing, and then like this little spot up here is the only signs of use that I can find on this entire headset. So yeah, that's it. That's the repair. This Quest 2 now works perfectly fine again. And don't know who's gonna end up with it. Maybe a friend, maybe someone from my family who likes to try VR. Let's see. And one last thing about cleaning these lenses. So to prevent lens damage, because what people don't know, or like I actually also don't know it for a fact, but I've been told by, I think, that same channel, so Fix My Oculus probably, this is not glass. These lenses are not glass, they're actually plastic, which means they scratch really, really, really easily. So like if you know jerry-rig everything, you know at what hardness level these scratch, because they're just plastic. So you really, 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 really need to use a microfiber cloth to clean these. You can't use your shirt, you can't use a regular towel, because you need something that's super fine, like a microfiber, because otherwise you can have stuff stuck in it and you can accidentally end up scratching the lens. So really, really, really be careful when you clean these. So, and I think that's already it for this video. Like, this is gonna be just a shorter one, so a quick swap for the lens. Like, I guess we can check if it turns on. Or maybe the battery is flat. Oh no, it does. Whoop. Can we see anything? No. Maybe I need to activate the face sensor. Oh, yep. Something's happening. There we go. So it turned on. Yeah, can't see much because I can't get it closer than this. But yeah, it does run. So that's it for this video. Quick one. I hope it was somewhat useful. Like, this is a really, really quick repair. And it's not the last repair I'm gonna do. I actually bought a second set of repair things. It's gonna be a different video. But so this particular Quest came with also very new controllers. But the other one I have, that one's actually a unit that was used quite a bit by the previous owner. And the joystick on the right controller has stick drift on that unit, so I also bought replacement joystick units, and I'm gonna be swapping these in a separate video. So there's gonna be one more Quest repair video, and until then, I'm gonna say thank you for watching, and until next time, goodbye.